Magandang gabi or good evening. It's Thursday night, gabi ng Huwebes, and last video we learned this and these, and tonight let's learn how to say that and those. That in Tagalog is iyan, iyan, or yan. Those, iyon, or you could say yun. And also, with those, to indicate the plural form in Tagalog, we add a word before the noun, and that word is mga. Mga. Okay, I have something here. If I ask, what is this? Ano ito? Ano ito? What is this? You say, that is a candy. Iyan ay candy. Or, yan ay candy. Iyan ay candy. That is a candy. And say, for example, you're holding something and I wanna ask, what is that? Ano iyan? Ano iyan? Or, ano yan? Ano iyan? And with those, say for example, you were in a grocery store and you spotted something, you're not sure what, and you ask someone, what are those? Or, ano ang mga iyon? What are those? And that someone answered, those are flowers. Mga bulaklak iyon. Mga bulaklak iyon or yun. Those are flowers. Those flowers, ang mga bulaklak na iyon or ang mga bulaklak na iyon. Those candies are sweet or ang mga candying iyon ay matamis. Yun or iyon. So that's it for tonight, and I'll be putting more examples down below under the About section. So, good night everyone!